LivePlan Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. LivePlan isn't just a business planning tool. You won't believe how much it streamlines creating financial forecasts, budgets, and investor-ready plans. Most people get this wrong by thinking free templates are enough, but the surprising truth is LivePlan combines automation, step-by-step guidance, and collaboration features to simplify planning. Pricing starts at $95 per month for a single user, which includes access to business plan templates, financial forecasting, and reporting tools. The team plan at $95 per month allows multiple users to collaborate, making it ideal for startups or small businesses. Most people underestimate the value of the financial dashboard, which automatically creates charts and projections, saving hours of manual work. LivePlan also integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, ensuring that financial data is accurate and up to date. You won't believe how easy it is to generate visually appealing business plans that impress investors and stakeholders. In conclusion, LivePlan's pricing is competitive for the features offered. For entrepreneurs, small business owners, or finance teams, it provides time-saving tools, accurate financial modeling, and professional presentation capabilities. By investing in LivePlan, you gain efficiency, precision, and a roadmap for business success.